Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Embedding Python in NI CVI LabWindows can be a powerful way to combine the capabilities of LabWindows with the flexibility of Python. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of embedding Python in an NI CVI project and provide a code example to get you started. NI LabWindows/CVI. Make sure you have LabWindows/CVI installed on your system. Python. You need Python installed on your system. Download and install Python from python.org. Python Integration Library. We'll use Python Integration Library, PyNIRTM, to embed Python in LabWindows/CVI. You can download it from the NI website. Start by creating a new LabWindows/CVI project or open an existing one. Copy the Python Integration Library, PyNIRTM, files to your project directory. In LabWindows/CVI, go to Edit-Add File to Project. And select the PyNIRTM library files. Add the PyNIRTM source and header files to your project. You need to specify the Python installation directory and set the necessary paths. In your LabWindows/CVI project, go to Edit-User Paths. Under Compiler Directories, add the Python include directory, example C:\python39 \include, and the Python library directory, example C:\python39 \libs. Now, it's time to write LabWindows/CVI code that embeds Python. Here's a basic example. Build your LabWindows/CVI project and run it. The code above initializes the Python interpreter, runs a simple Python script, and finalizes the interpreter when done. To exchange data between LabWindows/CVI and Python, you can use the PyNIRTM functions to call Python functions from LabWindows/CVI and vice versa. This allows you to pass data back and forth seamlessly. Here's a basic example of calling a Python function from LabWindows/CVI.